Let's check out this little cottage in Springfield. It's in the historic district. I love the canoe and the front landscaping. I mean, like, perfect. It's got really good energy. I like the fact that the sidewalks are not straight. It's got a front porch just waiting for a swing. Isn't that a cute little front yard? Let's go check out the inside. I mean, woohoo, yes please. Old gas fireplace. Nice big ceiling fan. Beautiful west-facing windows, very bright. Nice dining room. Look at the kitchen floors. It's got the old enamel sink. Another one of those big-ass fans. Hardwood, like beautiful, shiny hardwood. Another big-ass fan. Look at the bathroom. It's got all the glass doorknobs too. I love the crystal doorknobs. Subway tile in the kitchen. They hid the microwave, which I think is perfect. Inside the pantry, somebody left a little note. Paint job, July 1982. Peek. Got a sunroom, lots of windows. It's got an extra bath back here, cedar siding. Smells good. Nice little carriage. This house is in Springfield. It's pretty rad if you ask me. I guess the only downside is that it's a 1-bedroom. But if you're looking for a well laid out space, so I think it's about 1,200 square feet. It's not huge, but it's well done for a 1-bedroom. And it's listed for $300,000. The Springfield Historic District is full of cool old houses. The area is really going through a renaissance, and you can tell it's like they're working on the house across the street. It's like the folks that have lived here for a while, they all have little sitting areas on their front porch. You can walk in this neighborhood. The park is down at the end of Walnut Street. It's called Gardner Street Park. And if you're looking to get out of the big city, you like the country feel, the little country town. I mean, Springfield is a perfect little country town. I mean, yeah, you got some little small town drama, but you know, that's what makes small towns small towns. So if you're looking to live near Nashville, but you don't want to live in Nashville, Springfield's a great option. And you can tell, you know, like the houses that have been newly remodeled, they all have kind of nifty paint jobs. But there's lots of cute older homes in here. Lots of big trees. You can tell lots of people out walking their dogs. I sold another house in the neighborhood a couple weeks ago on Bourne Street. Maybe it was a month or two ago. I don't know, a minute ago. But like I said, if you're looking to get out of Springfield, you want to check out a nice historic neighborhood, houses that have some character, yards with trees, front porches that are made for sitting. Check out Springfield. My name's Jennifer Davis, and I'm a realtor with eXp. And if you want to talk to me or come look at this house or any other one, links in the bio.